So there's something wrong with my door handle. So look at this. Oh crap. I wonder if the 10 mm bolts here is gone. Yep. Yep. This is oh, I think it's probably gone. Fell down. Let me check. Well, I'll have to open this door. So I open up the trim here and the trim here. They're both over there. You just pry it out. Okay, I got the clip removed. Yeah, it's this one over here, this plastic piece. Yep, that's hard to remove. Now I'm going to pull out the rod. Yep, they got the rod. Oh, I need to get a proper big tool to get it. Okay, now I got let me see. Oh, it's hard to. Now I got the rod out of the lock over there. Yep, got separated. Now I'm going to take out the 10 mm bolts, which you could access over here. Open this one, and that 10 mm bolt should be there. Kind of look rusted. Okay, using a long 10 mm. Peeking through the hole in here, I am actually loosening it. You got it out. It's actually a very small bolt. Very small bolt, and then here's the other one. This one is easy. Got the bolt out. Now we're gonna take out this metal piece in here. This is like your spacer or something like a bracket. Let me finagle this one. Now let's see if we could pull this out easily, since we don't have any more brackets in here. Yep, looks like it. Something still holding it. Let me see the inside. So in order to remove it, you need to like move this. You need to set this aside so that this bracket will be out of the way, and then you need to pull it such that this will be straight. And now to slowly pull this out. Okay. How can I pull this out without denting the door? Man, something is holding this one. Let me check. It's just tight, so now it's out. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna compare on what's wrong with this. So this is my replacement from Amazon. This is a dormant one, and this is my broken one. So yep, there should be a gasket in here. So I think my broken part is this one. Yep. So this one is missing, so that's why it comes out when you pull it, because there should be like a plastic piece here that will hold against the metal here. There's a metal here, and that prevents it from coming out. So that's the one that's broken, and I think this is like probably an aftermarket too, possibly. So I'm gonna move this. I think the gasket, there's no gasket in here. Oh, the gasket is different. Oh, this one is different. Oh, the design is different. Yeah, look at that. Interesting. Okay, so this rubber thing, let's see, so this goes in here like this. So we're gonna put it in. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the new one. And need to oh boy. There we go. You see, okay, looks flush to me. Better than the one I bought for GM. The one I bought for GM was like really bad, as in real bad. Okay, now I got that metal bracket aligned. Yep, now it's time to put the 10 mm bolts to secure the bracket. This one. So this one, to put this one in. Got that one back, making sure that my keyhole is correct. Now we're gonna put the 10 mm bolt back. So got this bolt really tight. Oh. Okay. Well, there's some gaps in here, but looks good. Got to check where did my 10 mm go. Okay, time to put back the rod and the camera, and my hands cannot go fit in there, but you know the drill. Put that rod back into that slot over there. So the rod is back in place now, unlocked. Yep. Yeah, this aftermarket one has a very tight hole. I think it's like a really small for the rod. Well, I was just able to force it to go in. Then put the cover back in, and this clip back in, and this connector back in. You don't need to like take it out. Now I'm going to replace the speaker, because this speaker, look at that. Oh my gosh, I think this is for weight, but it's a very small speaker. Yeah, it has some cracks on it because I don't know, people, when they returned the door card, they didn't look at it, and it's like this one is peeling off. still okay though. I probably just like put glue or replace it. The problem is this one doesn't really align well. Yep. So yeah, there are 3 screws over here. Let's see. Yep, there's 3 screws over here. Doesn't match that one. It's off. This one is also off. Yep. I have the Mercedes one, which is in good shape. And I don't know if this one fits. Well, I'm done installing it, putting back the trim, but the it's not really that great because this thing is like not really like evenly flush, but that's what you get from Amazon, and it's a Dorman though. Yeah, it's a Dorman product. Yeah, see that one? But it's fine. It's better than this one like pulling out. Yeah, if you compare it to the one from the back here, this one is like flush evenly. This one has a large gap, but it's fine. Okay. See that one? It doesn't return.